Oh, good job. What is that?
Apple juice.
Apple juice? I think it's grape juice, baby. Watch your toes.
Apple juice.
It's grape juice. Sparkling grape juice.
Bubble.
That's not apple juice either.
Apple.
What do you recognize? Do you see pickles?
Mm. Yeah.
Pickles? Do you see ketchup? Look in the door. No, in the door, baby. Do you see ketchup?
No.
Do you see frosting?
Yes, but
Yeah. Do you see cheese?
yes, no.
There's cheese in there. Do you see applesauce?
Apple sauce.
That's ketchup, dude. There's the ketchup.
Apple.
Do you see ketchup? Do you see applesauce in the fridge?
What? Yes.
Yeah, that's Mommy's Riesling. Do you see applesauce? Applesauce?
No. This. Wait.
Yeah, that's cottage cheese. Do you see applesauce?
No one. Yes, that. Oh, sure.
Applesauce. Do you see applesauce?
Yes.
Where?
Yeah,
What is it?
apple sauce.
Applesauce? Yeah.
Butter.
Ketchup?
Butter.
Butter?
Butter. Butter.
Butter? Okay, can you close the fridge, please? Pickle? Mmm. Close the fridge, please, baby. Where do we keep the ice cream?
Oh no.
Is it in there?
No.
No. Where is it? Well, shut the fridge. Silly.
I don't know.
Shut the fridge. Boogie.
I can't.
We don't keep ice cream in the refrigerator. Up there in the freezer. Oh, silly. We just had ice cream. You don't need more. Say bye. Boogie. Boogie.
Yeah.